Hi guys, this is my second week in May urban garden tour, and I just want to give you guys a glimpse of what's going on in my garden. So here we have my Morris heading collards, and in that back row you see tomatoes, and I plopped in some ragged jack or red Russian kale. Now that's gonna grow to be pretty big, so hopefully I see that one cabbage back there heading up, so I'm excited that they're coming along before it gets too hot. This is my red cabbage, and I have some tomato plants back there, a blackberry bush, and that those red leaves, that's actually a yellow rose bush, so I'm excited about that. And these are my mustard greens, which some little caterpillar is loving. I don't even know what to do with those actually. My bright lights Swiss chard, which I think I'm going to probably those shot up pretty fast. I think I'm gonna harvest those for dinner on Sunday for my family. And these are my beets, which I'm gonna harvest either this afternoon or tomorrow. And these are my garlics and elephant garlic. If you look at the tops of those are called scapes, and those actually will bud into a flower. So I need to look up and see if I want to let that flower so I can save the seed. I'm not sure, but I'm going to definitely harvest this garlic, which is a single clove because it's his first year, and I need to research how to do that. I think you dry them and then you save them and plant them again, and then next year they will have cloves. So that's that. Here we are back with my squash, and let's see, these are, what kind are these? I can't really tell. This isn't doing much, but these, look at there. Oh, these are fused together. But these are my 8-ball zucchini, and these are growing rather nicely, so I'm excited about those. And back here I have starting another squash plant. I don't know if you can see that, sorry about that. I had to reseed these cucumbers, so my Space Masters are coming up. My National Pickling aren't doing anything. And these are some, I think it's called Hybrid 48 squash, so that's coming along. My Armenian cucumber plant is living, so glad to see it's making it. I also planted some more seeds, so let me show you my seeds that I restarted. These are a few of the seeds I started. Let's go to the front so I can see what they are. This is Kushaw squash. My cucumbers aren't doing anything. There's a national pickling, a Boston pickling, a lemon Q. Let's switch around here. Okay, so these are my yard beans. Yay, 3-foot yard bean, Chinese red noodle bean. Nothing for the other eggplant. Nothing for my ground cherries. That's the eggplant. So it's coming along. That's another eggplant that looks like it's coming along. So these are just going to be over here until it's ready to transplant. So here are my eggplant. Doesn't look the best. It's got little, I guess that's the flea beetles they talk about. I need to get with my neem oil. Sometimes we wait until the pests do their damage before we start treating them, and I think I need to move on that. So behind there are some peppers that are, look like they struggling. And here are a lot of my tomatoes. So this is my green zebra, Paul Robeson, a whole lot of different varieties basically. They're looking pretty good though. They look pretty good. So I need to get on my staking to make sure everything's staked well. And my sunflowers are okay. That one's growing, and that one is too. So that's really what my garden is doing this week. And I'm gonna harvest the beets and the garlic, and then I will check in with you guys again next week. Thanks for joining me, and like, share, and subscribe for more urban gardening. Grow with you later. Bye.